Let's jump right into a really profound philosophical journey. Today, we're exploring the true nature of divine mercy.
It brings up the ultimate question, right? If a creator is infinitely merciful, why does suffering even exist? Well, it starts with Er-Rahman. That's an absolute mercy, so powerful, it literally creates existence out of nothingness.
Now, notice the contrast with Ar-Rahim. That one is a variable, conditional mercy based on specific actions. See, human mercy reacts and expects a return. But divine mercy, it's an absolute originating force of pure love. Imagine this, just one single fraction of that divine mercy was distributed to our entire physical universe. That single fraction is literally why any compassion exists. It's why a mother loves and nurses her newborn. Crazy, right? Think about the scale. The remaining 99 parts stay entirely with the Creator. So, this mercy actually acts like a cosmic gravity, keeping the physical and spiritual universe from falling apart. From microscopic electrons orbiting to massive planets, this divine attraction sustains absolutely everything around us. So, let's address the elephant in the room. If mercy is everywhere, why do destructive earthquakes happen? The text argues that this mercy literally encompasses and redefines everything, even things that seem entirely destructive. It actually says, earthquakes are a mercy. Without that pressure release valve, the earth would just explode. So, what about evil? Well, it suggests that bad things are circumstantial, never an inherent trait.
Everything has a purpose. Misery only really happens when creations are used against their naturally designed harmony. Because we have free will, we make mistakes. That makes us the absolute greatest recipients of this mercy.
We can actually tap into this cosmic force through prayer. It's really the true brain of worship.
Check out the spiritual progression. We move from realizing our vulnerability to directly asking for divine connection.
Ultimately, realizing you need the Creator way more than the creation itself, now that is true prayer. So, if an infinite cosmic mercy is already sustaining your existence, what are you going to ask for today?